Hey everyone, welcome to Untitled.ai channel. So free AI tools are popping up everywhere, right? But are they actually good enough for when you gotta get some real work? Today, we're gonna pick 4 of the top free AI image generators of 2025 against each other. Google ImageFX, Leonardo.ai, Jimeng, and Canva AI. Stick around, because we're gonna run them through some real-world tests. Check out the results side by side. So why this for? Our thinking was pretty straightforward. They all gotta have a free version, be super easy to jump into right away, and not have a bunch of weird restrictions depending on where you live. That's why, even though Stable Diffusion is seriously powerful, we skipped it all for this comparison. It's free and open source, but setting it up can be a real pain for a lot of folks like me. Instead, we went with Leonardo.ai, which gives you a freebie tier with daily credits, which is awesome for artists and game designers. And the Canva AI is just baked right into Canva's free plan, making it ridiculously beginner-friendly. Bottom line, these tools are all accessible, free to give away, and work smoothly no matter where you are in the world. So you might dive in without emptying your wallet or dealing with annoying regional blocks. I'm going to be testing Leonardo.ai, Canva AI, Google ImageFX, and Jimeng, all using the exact same prompt to see how the image generation stacks up. After doing some initial tests, we notice that all these tools generate image pretty darn fast, usually within about 10 seconds. So we're gonna mainly focus on image quality. This includes how sharp the image is and how well it actually matches what we ask for it in the text. Free tier limitation, what we can do without paying extra. User experience, how easy is the interface to use, and what kind of features do you get in the free version. Alright, let's dive right in. This is Google's free AI art tool, and it's running on their fancy Imagen 3 model. You can download images at up to 1024 pixels, which looks seriously sharp for most things you want to do. The first image I got had this racket in the right hand that was just totally messed up, like it didn't even look like a racket. So I tried again, being super clear what the person was doing. The second image was better, but still not quite right. I asked for smashing a badminton shuttlecock pose, and it didn't really nail that killer smash vibe. It's like the AI got the idea but missed the details. It's completely free, and there's no limit on how many images you can crank out. That's a huge win. But here's the thing. Right now, you can't tweak an image you've already made with a new prompt. So if you want to fix that wonky racket or adjust the pose, you gotta start over with a brand new prompt. It's a bit annoying if you're trying to fine-tune something specific. The interface is clean and friendly. You just type in your prompt and go. Google adds these cool things called Scene ID metadata to flag images that were made by AI. This is pretty awesome for avoiding any fake image drama, and it helps keep things safe and honest by letting people know what's real and what's not. It's a super smart feature that makes this tool stand out. Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai. This one's built for artists with a clean look, and they give you free credits every day. Let's see how it handles our prompt. When it comes to image quality, Leonardo.ai can export image at 1120 pixels, and the clarity is seriously impressive, really sharp and detailed. However, like a lot of AI tools, it's not perfect. Some areas had errors. For example, the badminton shuttlecock didn't have much detail, and in one case, it only showed the racket frame without any strings. On the plus side, Leonardo.ai lets you edit the image you've already generated based on new prompts, which is a fantastic feature. Although it does cost extra credits, when I tried changing the color of the sportswear to a different shade, it actually caused more errors. Problems popped up with the hand movement, the racket, and the shuttlecock, with some weird interactions between them. For my third try, I used a more specific prompt, making it clear about the left and right hand positions, and the errors were noticeably less. Still, there were some issues with how the racket was being held, the string details, and the slight inaccuracies in the smash action and hand positioning. Some features, like making image bigger or generating private image, cost extra. The free version gives you 150 credits each day, and generating 4 image costs 24 credits. The credits reset daily, so you can make roughly 25 images per day, which is generally enough for most users. Compared to Google's ImageFX, Leonardo.ai gives you way more options to customize things like style, contrast, prompt enhancement, and different ways to generate images. It also lets you directly edit image, including removing the background, connecting with Canva for more editing, and other features, making it pretty versatile. Canva's AI image generator, powered by Magic Media, DALL-E Imagine, and now Leonardo.ai, is built right into Canva's design platform after they bought Leonardo.ai in July 2024. To boost their AI game, Leonardo.ai still runs on its own, but its tech is what makes Canva's Dream Lab create those high-quality images. So let's take a look at how Canva performs. The image quality from Canva is also really clear, with exported image going up to 1120 pixels. However, there are still a lot of issues with these details, like the badminton racket, the strings and hand gestures, and other areas. Taking Canva Streamlab as an example, the free version gives you 20 credits, and each generation uses 1 credit and gives you 4 images. These credits are a one-time thing that you can't get more in other ways. One big plus is how smoothly it works with Canva, letting you edit with just one click, like adding filters or text. Plus, when you are generating images, you have a bunch of different style options to choose from. Jimeng is a Chinese AI art tool that's not as well known globally but super popular in Asia. It was launched by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. It's got a mobile-friendly feel and focuses on making image generations quick and easy to use. The quality of the images you can export can go up to 1328 pixels. However, the first images it generates tend to look pretty heavily filtered and a bit blurry. After you apply detail refinement, the image clarity gets a lot better. The overall art style leans towards was popular with the Asian audience. Details like the badminton racket, shuttlecock, and how the racket is held are handled pretty well. Free users get 60 credits every day, and each generation uses 1 credit and gives you 4 images. Refining the details doesn't cost extra credits, which is pretty reasonable. When you use it with DeepSeek, the tool will suggest personalized prompt ideas based on your past interactions. After trying a Chinese prompt that DeepSeek recommended, I found that the image it generated matched what I was expecting really closely, especially in accurately showing the smash action. It's the only tool that really nailed this. However, it doesn't have an English interface right now, which might not be very user-friendly for English speakers. Summary time. Here's a quick rundown comparison. These 4 tools. Google ImageFX is your go-to for unlimited photorealistic images. Canva AI is great for quick graphics. Leonardo.ai delivers vibrant anime art, and Jimeng AI nails those details poses, even with the language things. Each tool has its own strengths, so which one are you leaning towards? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Go try these tools out for yourself and let me know what you create. Want more AI tool reviews? Smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tell me what you want me to text next. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.